everyone, welcome to TechWired. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 953, verifying an alien dictionary. So here we are given a list of words and an order of English lowercase letters from 0 to 25, which is nothing but 26 lowercase English letters, okay? And here we need to check whether the words are sorted lexicographically, okay? Now we will see the logic behind this problem to solve this. So before solving this problem, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting. So this is the first example that has been given in the Leetcode problem. So here we are given the list of words and the order that we need to compare, okay? And this order is 26 characters of English lowercase letters, okay? And they are all going to be unique, and they are going to be 26 always, okay? So I need to check each of my character by picking two words, and I need to check whether they are sorted according to the given order. So for example, here H should come before L. So we could see here, right, in the order H comes before L, right? So this is true case. So here I will pick hello and Leetcode, and I will write a for loop where I will pick two words at each iteration. So for example, I will pick hello and Leetcode, and I will compare each character simultaneously between two words, and I need to check whether H comes before L or not. And this order has been given here. We need to have this order. So when I have at least one order, I will just check only once. If H comes before L, I'm just going to return true. Okay, I don't have to check all the characters. If one case is true, I'm just going to return true. I will also show you guys another example, okay? I will try to make it more clear. So in this example, I will first pick the first two letters, okay? The first two letters are word and world, okay? I will pick that words. I will pick word and world, okay? Now I will check whether they are sorted according to the given order in the input. So here both word and world has W at the first as a first character. So I'm just going to run the loop again. So I will be writing two loops. First loop will pick the words from my word list, and I will write another loop to compare the two words, okay? So in the next iteration, I'm going to compare O and O here, okay? So since both are equal, I'm going to run the loop again, and I'm going to check R and R, they are equal. Now D and L, right? So here I need to check the order. I could see that D comes after L, right? But here the word one, D, comes before L, right? So I need to return false, okay? So the loop I will be running here, I will always pick the minimum length word, okay? So in this case, I will pick the word, which is length of 4. So I will compare 4 characters only, okay? I will also show you guys another edge case. So here I have another example. So here first, in the first loop, I will pick apple and app, right? Now I will compare each character in the two words. So here both of them have a, so I'm going to run the loop. I'm going to increase and check the next character in both the words, and here again pp, and here again pp, and then there is l, right? In this case there is l, and there is no further characters for the word 2, and this will be also false. Why? This is because I still left characters in my word 1. Since it is left to compare, I'm going to return false only for the word 1. So when the length of the word 1 is greater than length of the second one, I'm going to return false as well. So when the length of the word 1 is greater than length of the word 2, I'm going to return false. And I will also write a condition, which I will show when I'm writing the code. Okay. So you guys can also think like, since I have words left to compare in word 1, I will be returning false. Okay. Also, I would like to talk about the dictionary I will be using. Since my orders will be different, right, for each input, so I'm going to have a dictionary. So I'm going to keep the word as key, and I'm going to keep its index as value. So I will pick whenever I compare characters like a, okay, I will pick a and its index using the dictionary that I will be creating based on the order given. Okay, for example, for h I will be having 0, right? For j I will be having 1. For a I will be having 2. So here 2, right, for a. So like that, for till z I will be having 25. So why 25? Since my index starts from 0 to 25. Okay, we will be having 26 characters. So I will use these index, okay, index values to see whether my word comes before or after the particular characters. So for example, if I have h and a, I will see whether h comes after or before a. Okay, so to compare, I'm going to use its index. So for h I will put 0, for a I will put 2, for h I will put 0, for a I will put 2 as well. So when coming to the time complexity, it will be order of characters that has been given. Okay, since we compare each and every character, right, so it will be order of character. So it will be maximum length of the word. So the time complexity will be maximum length word. Okay, maximum length of the word in the input list. So in this case apple. Okay, in this case apple, 5 characters, right? So it's going to be apple in this case. And the space complexity will be order of 26, since we have 26 characters, right? English lowercase letters that we are storing the index, right? So it will be order of 26. So since it's order of 26, it's constant, right? It will be order of 1. Now we will see the code. So first I will create the dictionary of the order to store its index. Okay, so I'm going to write a for loop where I will be getting its index and its value, which is nothing but the characters, using enumerate function. Okay, so from the order that has been given in the input, so I'm going to store that in my order index dictionary. So I will be storing the value first and its index. Fine. And now I will write the for loop to pick the words from the words list. I will be having length of words -1. So why this -1 is, so here I will pick two words at the same time, right? So I will compare first two words, and then I will shift my pointers to here, right? Then another iteration I will try to pick another two words. So here there is no word, right, to pick. So I will just, to avoid this index out of index situation, I'm just doing -1. Okay, so I will pick the word 1, okay, from the words list, and word 2, okay, from the words list, where I will write I+1, the next word. So here I will write another for loop to compare each and every character in both of the words. So I will take the minimum length between two words. Okay, it will be word 1 and word 2, right? The length of word 1 and length of word 2. Okay, I need to pick the minimum length between word 1 and word 2, such that I will run this particular loop. Now I will write another condition where I will compare the word 1 and word 2 such that they are not equal to, which means if the words are equal, I will just continue running the loop. I will only execute this particular if condition if they are different characters. Okay, then I will check the index of the characters of word 1, the character in word 1. Okay, if it is greater, okay, if it is not sorted according to the order given, okay, then I will return false. Then I will return false. So I will check only once. If one character is sorted, then I can just break from comparing those two words, because we just need to verify whether it is whether they are sorted or not according to the given order. If one character satisfies the condition, then we can just break and stop comparing those two words, and we can pick the next two words. Okay, so I'm going to write another else condition. So here, if the length of, so I showed an apple and app example, right? So if the length of word 1, if we are left with characters to compare in word 1, then I'm going to return false as well. Okay, I will return false as well. If the loop runs successfully, I'm going to return true at the end. Okay, I think it's fine. Now let's run the code. So here it should be, so I forgot to put an equal sign here, so I think it's fine. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.